love cookware? Do you love to just mess around in the kitchen? Do you love to get together with friends and do parties and tastings and all of that good stuff? Is that you? Hi everybody, Patty Dooley here with Tupperware. Well, today I wanted to talk to you about our current Say Yes offer that is running July 28th to August 31st. I know I'm a little late, but I had been to Jubilee. But today I wanted to talk to you about working from home, doing the things that you love, setting your own schedule. You may have little ones that want time out so you can do, tastings and things, to spend some time away from home and talk to real adults for a change. Or you might be retired and just looking for something to do. Or, you may just absolutely love Tupperware and think, I can do this. If Patty can, I can. So, hey, I'm going to tell you what's going on this month with Tupperware until August 31st. Right now, we have our Say Yes offer, and I do not have mine yet, but I have one coming. I'm super excited, but it is our Chef Series 2 cookware. Amazing, amazing. I'm telling you, it's amazing. When you say yes to Tupperware this month, just for saying yes to Tupperware, you can add to your kit let's see, make sure I get this right, the 3.2 quart chartreuse, that's how they call it, chartreuse pan with the glass cover. Now I'm going to show you a picture, and I'll post a picture at the end of the video so you can get a better idea. But that is our Say Yes offer. Add to your kit this month. It's a $249 value just for that one pan. But when you say yes to Tupperware, you can get it for $45. That's $204 off. What? Somebody catch me. It's an amazing deal. So I'm going to put this up here and let you take a look at it. And then once again, I'm going to put pictures at the end. Right there is our deal. Is that not amazing? Why would you want to say yes to Tupperware? Well, we're entering into our fall holiday season. An amazing time for Christmas buying, gift giving, getting ready for the holidays, teaching people how to make dips for football games. Moms are busy with school and kids, show them how to do breakfast in a hurry in the morning so everybody gets a healthy breakfast and you still get out the door on time. How to make lunches at home and save money, taking your own to work or to school or to college or wherever you go. And you might be a college student checking this video out and say, hey, I need a part-time job. And this may be for you. So, just because you're in college, you can still do this. But what is so great about Tupperware is you are backed by 70 years of quality products. You come into the business, but you're not alone. You have myself, you have a whole gigantic team, and you have the Tupperware company behind you on teaching, training, recognition, trips, you name it, you can do it with Tupperware. So you're not by yourself when you come into the business. You can start the business for $39 down plus tax. That gets you started. Then we'll add the pan on once you get started in Tupperware. And then you have try it for 60 days. If you love what you're doing, then continue. If you're not, then you can just say, Patty, you know what? I think I just want to stay a customer. Fine, great, we will do that. But if you're wanting to make this a business that you can earn trips, you can earn cash, extra money for the holidays, whatever it is that you're looking to do, you can do with Tupperware. So, like I said, we are starting out with our fall and holiday. So you're going to get everything you need in your kit. And I'm going to show you, and I will put a picture of this up. You're going to get the new colors of our impressions bowls and things in your kit. You're going to get everything you need to get started, to start doing parties, to start doing tastings. You can do fundraisers. You can do all sorts of things in Tupperware. But right here is our kit. As you can see, let me get this over here for you. Our impressions bowls, measuring cups and spoons, breakfast maker, fridge smart, uh, modular mate, a quick shake, a power chef, the chef knife, and then you can start earning the cookware. And then as you go, you can earn all of this as well for free. You get your kit bag, you get your catalogs, you get your apron, you get everything you need to start a business for just $39 plus tax down. And then you can add this amazing cookware to your kit. Now, you get started, what else can you do? One standard party this month by August 31st, and you're going to qualify for the Chef Series 2 5 quart sawtooth with glass cover for only $45. It's a $259 value. So that is like an amazing deal. So if you're interested in getting started in Tupperware, I would love to talk to you. All you have to do is message me or email me. You can find me on Facebook at facebook.com/TW Batty. TW Batty Dooley. Yeah, sometimes I'm Batty. But you can get me on Facebook, or you can email me at pattydooley@hotmail.com. Don't you just love days like this? Anyway, back to business here. I'll be glad to talk with you. And then once you come into Tupperware, you would be a team member with me, not under me, but with me. What we will do is I will teach you how to use the products. I will teach you how to talk to people. I will teach you how to do demonstrations. Even if you don't live near me and you're somewhere else in the country, that's fine. We can do go lives, we can do Zoom training, and then you have your products there. I have mine here. We have the same ingredients, and we cook together right that way. I give you tips, tricks, and ideas. We have an amazing business leader that keeps us pumped up and keeps us going every month in our Tupperware business with new ideas and things to do and recognition. So you want to be a part of that. We are a fast-paced business, and I absolutely love that. So if you're into that, then please feel free to get with me before August 31st to get in on the Chef Series 2 cookware. I'll be glad to talk with you. So you don't take too long to think about it now, because this particular offer does not come every day. And this is like an amazing value offer to start your own Tupperware business. So if you're thinking about it, want more information, just want to talk to me, feel free to message me on Facebook or email me, and I'll be glad to get with you. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you and sharing with you what it is you can do with Tupperware. The sky's the limit, guys. That's it. You know, what you put into it is what you're going to get back. So if that's you, contact me today, and I'll be happy to talk to you. So you be blessed, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.